Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, an important tip I'm sharing, and it's a legal requirement too. If you are a homeowner, and you have got your basement tenanted or anything like in similar situation, it's your responsibility to ensure a proper fire exit. So this is my egress window for basement, and right now because of severe snowstorm, you see that's how deep snow has gone. So right now I'm gonna clean it to make sure my tenants can escape in case there is a fire or any emergency situation, like they have a secondary exit. So whenever there is like this kind of severe snowstorm, it's your responsibility that you have to fulfill at all cost. Don't wait for any adverse situation, instead clean it. Right now I'm trying to make a way, so but I saw this, so now I'm gonna take the snow out from here too. It's very difficult. You can see how bad snowstorm is going on, but this is my responsibility, so I have to do it. Okay, so make sure you know this and protect your tenants, okay, because in case of any emergency they should be able to run out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.